Last year, Rio de Janeiro inaugurated its first China-themed park, an initiative financed entirely by the city's Chinese community to commemorate the 45th anniversary of diplomatic relations between China and Brazil. Now, these same Chinese Rio residents are raising funds to purchase medical supplies for the city. At the same time, 160 tons of Chinese equipment bought by the city began to arrive this month to cope with the pandemic. Rio's Mayor Marcelo Crivella thanked China for its help.
Not only for selling us these products and keeping the price, also keeping the time to deliver. I am very much appreciate all the help, and I hope we can keep this partnership so important to Rio de Janeiro and to Brazil with our brothers from China.
State medical facilities are on the verge of collapse as Rio reports a dramatic upsurge in fatalities. And while new field hospitals have increased the number of available beds, health officials have been sounding alarms about shortages of medical equipment, especially ventilators. The shipments from China could not be arriving at a better time. China's consul general here in Rio, Li Yang, says China's relations with Brazil go beyond their trading partnership.
Here, the situation is so urgent, so to be quick, to ship all these medical equipment items back to Rio for the emergent use. Yeah, so that's what we are doing at this moment.
And this, analysts say, is contributing to a growing contrast in perception among Brazilians. As China steps up aid, a recent ban on travel from Brazil to the US has been a blow for President Jair Bolsonaro, who takes pride in being one of Donald Trump's biggest fans. China passed the United States as Brazil's biggest trading partner in 2009 and has been making massive infrastructure investments here. If the current level of assistance is anything to go by, Brazil's recovery from the pandemic will be undoubtedly done with China's help. Lucrecia, Franco, CGTN, Rio de Janeiro.